Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review I want to talk to you about Scroll and Profit by Mosh Barry. Now this was released on the 9th of October and basically this is a software that we've seen many times before that allows you to build pages. You have some automation features and in this case you have a e-com store functionality. So we are going to jump inside as soon as I can get access. Unfortunately I've just purchased this and this is what I'm currently getting when I try and access. I just get the Google search bar and that's all I'm seeing. So anybody purchasing this right now is not going to be able to get access anyway. So guys, just before we start, my name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to the channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell and I'll let you know whenever I produce new reviews. And guys, if you're looking to build a long-term sustainable business online using affiliate marketing, don't forget to check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads. I've got completely free training there that'll take you through the whole process step by step. So guys, let's have a quick look at this sales page. I will come back to the sales page after I've reviewed the actual software. Apparently this pays Mosh Barry $67.39 every single hour. That's very oddly specific. It exploits a little known $337 billion loophole. I'm afraid this doesn't, guys. I've seen this software so many times now. All they've done in this case is changed it to green. All of the beta testers are making $65 an hour. Newbies are making $62 an hour. No traffic needed. There's not a product on the internet that doesn't need traffic. No hidden costs, 30-day money-back guarantee, zero risk, and get paid $300 if you fail. So guys, as I said, I'll come back to this. I want to show you a few more things on the sales page as we go through this review. So guys, just so I'm waiting for them to fix that link, which is coming straight from Warrior Plus, so I don't know why it's not working. I just purchased this and basically if you look into my emails here, I've already had 2 emails from Mosh Barry on completely random topics. Number one is thanking me for purchasing Pinnacle, which is not the product I just bought, and number 2 is this oops I almost forgot email, which is already promoting me Hose Presso, which is a very poor product. So this is what you get with these types of vendors, guys. You get multiple emails every single day from them promoting things to you, and this is just kicked off now and I've only just bought the product and not even got access to it yet. Hey guys, so eventually I've jumped inside. This is over 2 days later I've managed to get access to this. If you see here, I did actually send a ticket in to the folks in Mosh Barry's help desk on the 9th and eventually give me some kind of access on the 11th. So apologies if the volume's a little bit different here because I'm obviously doing this video out of sequence, but I want to show you the kind of quality of software you get when you start going down this route. So what you have here first is the training. You have some training on here which is a separate link, and basically this training actually takes you through the OTOs to start with to try and get you to spend more money on this type of stuff, and then some videos here that take you through various parts of the application. The application in all is a very random mix of tools that don't really make any kind of congruent sense. It's just kind of all thrown on here for you to get to grips with. But what you see here now is it's just a random set of tools really. It doesn't really make sense and there's no kind of coherent strategy put in place or no video on here that tells you how you're going to actually make money with this. You're expected to know a lot, including when we talk about some of the email and SMS marketing applications on here. You need to have SMPT access because this doesn't actually email anything out. You need to go with one of the paid firms like Twilio or multiple others that you actually pay to send emails and send texts out. So you have to have some kind of link to these various services, and they kind of go through this video as if you're supposed to expect to know as a newbie what SMTP is and how to actually do that. So it's very random, the training. Also random irritation here. These videos will actually go larger so you can see them. These bottom 2 videos won't, so I can't actually read what these videos are telling me in the first place. So that's the kind of training. A little bit picky on that one, but the dashboard here is some random dashboard that they put together. How they know a male versus female subscriber from somebody who actually logs onto your email list, because unless they have an option to tick whether they're a male or female when they join your list, the system is never going to know that. I get lots and lots of email subscribers every day, and the type of emails they give you are all over the place. You would never know whether they're a woman or a man. So this is not going to be able to tell you whether it's male or female. I just felt that was quite amusing. You have the usual links to affiliate marketplaces here. Now I'm going to presume you've never seen this software before. Unfortunately guys, I've seen this sold multiple times over the last year. in different guises. All they're doing is changing the color. All of these different functionality is exactly the same. But you have your affiliate marketplaces here. You can go to JV Zoo deals, you can go to Warrior Plus deals, you can go to ClickBank deals, and you can go ahead and grab the affiliate links for these. And it doesn't really tell you anything else apart from the fact that they're being sold on these networks. There doesn't seem to be any kind of order here for you to go ahead and look at, because the prime host here is featuring in the top 3 or 4 places. It just seems to be a bit of a random order. But you go into Warrior Plus deals as well. Again, you can go through these various Warrior Plus deals and go and grab a link. If I was you, I'd actually go to Warrior Plus itself, do some research on these vendors and actually see if there's something you want to promote, and then go to ClickBank deals and you can grab the link there. Now, just a word of advice on the JV deals and the Warrior Plus deals: you can't just get automatic approval to promote their links. You're going to have to make sure that you've either got some kind of track record on the networks, and quite honestly, if you did, you wouldn't be using this product, or you need to explain who you are and how you're going to promote their particular products and services, because anything that's launching at the time is quite hard to get approval for unless you're a known affiliate, because they don't want you to affect their stats. So just a word of warning there, but it's the same kind of thing that we all suffer with when we first start coming online. Now, making money pages, these are just their very, very simple generic landing pages, opt-in pages, thank you pages, webinar pages, coming soon pages, and you can put these pages together. Now, these pages, as I've said before, I've seen a million times before, but all you do is you come on along and you pick one of these, pick that to design, puts you over to their very, very simple page builder, and you can go through and actually design this page. Now, there's a download button there if you want to download this and upload it into your own site. I don't know why you would ever do that, because if you have your own site, you'd have WordPress, you would never need anything like this. But that's basically what this section is. It's all to do with your templates. I'm actually going to show you a free way to do this as well, guys, during this review. You have some opt-in pages here, very similar thing. You have to obviously link this up to your autoresponder, which comes into the web. I'm going to show you to do this, a little bit of a tip. But you need an autoresponder here, thank you pages, and various other types of pages. Next, you have link cloaking. You've just got links to Bitly and Reblandly. I don't know why you just don't use these anyway. Why would you need to come in and use this software? So this isn't really a tool that's needed. You can import your Facebook accounts there, and then you have this Facebook tools here. Now, these always interest me. If you're a new marketer, or even if you're any kind of established marketer, having these types of reply templates and comment templates and automation templates, having this type of automation on your Facebook profile or any kind of profile, I don't think is actually useful, because when you're a marketer, you need to have that human contact and actually talk to your audience. I got 6,000 subscribers on YouTube, and I don't find it a big deal to go into YouTube and answer the comments that I get and actually talk to people like humans. Why you would need to start having these reply and comment templates, unless you're a multi-million subscriber type marketer, I don't see why you would ever need these. But they seem to be selling this as if it's going to help you. All it's going to do is put a barrier up between you and your potential audience instantaneously. If you fire back with a reply to somebody who's took the time to message you and immediately start to try and sell them something, you've lost them. So I think these are a complete waste of time, these Facebook tools, and again, I've seen this many times before. The social blast is social media channels. This is an application called Add This, and basically these are multiple different social channels that you can apparently send your great pages over, and you can blast them onto these channels, and you're going to get lots and lots of free traffic. Again, a bit of reality here, guys. What happens here is you put in anything over to Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, wherever, unless you've got an audience that are already there, unless you've got an audience that are waiting to see your content, you're not going to get any traffic at all. It's like throwing links into an empty room. Just think about your own Facebook account. Have you got thousands of people on there that are willing to buy off you? If you have, this is a very quick way of actually getting to them. If you haven't, it's complete nonsense. It's not free traffic at all. All you're going to do is fire links, as I said, into an empty space. Now, a lot of these aren't even places that you would actually put a link. Again, they never do their due diligence on this and actually look at whether it's worth actually advertising on this. Flickster is a site that actually sells cinema tickets. There's always sites like Amazon on here. What are you going to do with an affiliate link on Amazon? Where are you going to put it? Etc, etc. All you need to do is a little bit of due diligence, and if you really wanted this, guys, you just go over to a site called addthis.com, and this is where these tools all actually come from that these guys are using. All they've done is took the code from this and added it to their website, and this is completely free. So I'll put this in the link in the description below, but this is just a free thing that you can use with any of your sites. And especially if you want to have these nice floating type social media things here. But the same rule applies, guys. If you've got no one on social media, there's no one really to share to. Next up, we have the automated blog. Apparently you can automate your blog on here. You put some blog title in there, put some content in here. You can have a CTA button, and this will create a blog post for you. If you have a blog URL, you can enter your blog URL ID there and your login password, and you can go ahead and create the blog. If you've got a website, I don't see the point of this entire software, to be honest. Meta tags, this will allow you to get some meta tags up here. Let's just go affiliate marketing on here. Let's see if it searches for something for me. And basically it's gone ahead and found all the Google suggest words for affiliate marketing, which is okay. I mean, I can go ahead and use this in Google. That functionality works fine. Messenger for WooCommerce. Now, here's where I have some issues again with this software that they've just given me access to. And by the by, they also said they were going to give me an upgrade, and they haven't given me an upgrade. I noticed this just now when I was looking at my account access level, which is a bit naughty because I said I wanted to refund this initially because I didn't have any kind of access to it. But anyway, so this dashboard here, the Messenger WooCommerce store, doesn't give me any way of actually creating the Messenger WooCommerce store. Also, the Done For You e-commerce store is also not working. So this is clearly one of the upgrades that they haven't provided you. You need to be able to go ahead and pay extra to get this. Email marketing as well. This isn't doing anything on this software. It's just completely blank. Now, I know that this is their version of an autoresponder, which you should never use these types of softwares to collect people's data in. They've got no compliance with GDPR, as I've said multiple times before in my reviews, and I'm going to give you a solution to that in a second. SMS marketing as well, nothing happens here. Again, you're supposed to be able to use this to carry out your SMS marketing. Unfortunately, guys, the SMS marketing, you have to go ahead and attach it to one of the big services like Twilio that costs around 0.7 cents every time you send an SMS. So neither of these things are actually free. So guys, that's really the software, and I know I zipped through that, but I've seen this multiple times before. I'm going to give you a suggestion of a way that you can actually achieve this without actually using software like this, and it's completely free, guys. So one thing I would say, guys, is jump over to GetResponse if you want to find a solution for this for free and get your free account. Now, this free account, you can get access to their email marketing tools, their website builders. You can connect your own domain. You have a list of up to 500 contacts. You can create landing pages, and you can create sign up and contact forms. And the account on the front end, up to 500 subscribers, as I said, is completely free. Then once you get more than 500 subscribers, it's £9 a month. This is the way that I think you can get a much better quality application just through going through GetResponse. Now, if I just come and I log in, and I'm going to show you the type of pages that you can actually build using this type of platform. Now, this is my own account. Now, if I come over to create landing pages and I want to create a new, basically you have all these types of templates. You have sign up and registration, promotion, download, sales, about me, webinars, video, thank you pages, and you can come through here and you can get all of these different options. And this is all completely free, guys. You don't need to spend even $17 on the front end to get this type of application. Now, you could just as well use this and go into Warrior Plus and still get a Warrior Plus offer. And if you really wanted to build a page like this and just send people the link to this page, or redirect it through your own domain, and they teach you how to do this within the actual training. I can just put a very, very quick example here, and you can see there's a really nice editor here, and this is already an autoresponder, remember, so you don't have to separately connect your autoresponder or pay extra for it. All you need to do is use this and create a list within the autoresponder, and you can have a really nice page that's already been built for you. So that's what I would actually use, guys, rather than go ahead and use these types of software. My experience so far has been dreadful with this. It didn't even launch for the first few days. The Warrior Plus link just was not working. I had to go through their support, which they did come back to me, but it did take 48 hours. If this is your business and you had a question that needed answered instantly, that's not a lot of good. A lot of the services like GetResponse have instant chat facilities, so they'll get back to you straight away, so it's a lot easier. And guys, a lot of these applications you just do not need. If you're a newbie, you're going to get very confused. Keep it simple, find an offer, go and make a page in GetResponse, and get people to over that link. At the end of the day, your biggest problem whenever you buy these types of applications is learning how to drive traffic to them, and that's what you need to learn as an affiliate marketer. Don't worry too much about buying these types of gimmicky softwares that are just not going to help you do that. So guys, you just jump back to the sales page. Just a few things on this sales page. I hope you understand that everything on here is a work of fiction, that none of these guys are making any money off this. Very easy to figure this out because these guys here aren't even real people. If I just go ahead and reverse click this and have a look on Google, this guy is just a stock image. So they're claiming that these guys are actually making money using this product, but clearly they're not. Out of all of their buyers, they can't find anybody who will actually give a real testimonial, so they just resort to using either completely made up people, or one big trend at the moment with these guys is to use these AI stock images. Lots of these are coming up now. If you ever see an image with this type of very plain background, it's just an AI stock image that folks are just getting off the web these days. So you can't trust testimonials off these guys. They have nobody who's actually making money off this, which is a shame because they're tricking you guys into thinking that this is actually going to make you any kind of money online. All three of these guys, you can see this, another stock image. Let's take a look at the OTOs, guys. Now, we'll leave these in the description below, only for information purposes only. I'm not advising you to get any of these. The front end is $22 down to $19. OTO 1 is the Pro Edition, $197 down to $97. OTO 2 Limitless Edition, $197 down to $97. OTO 3 Effortless Edition, $47 down to $27. OTO 4 Endless Leads, $97 down to $47. OTO 5 1000 Profit Template, $47 down to $37. OTO 6 Franchisee Edition, $147 down to $77. OTO 7 Hidden Secrets, $97 down to $47. OTO 8 Millionaire Edition, $77 down to $47. OTO 9 The Vault, $37 down to $27. OTO 10 Machine, $197 down to $97. And OTO 11 Buyer Traffic Store, $97 down to $47. Guys, this is terrifying because somebody might be sucked into buying half of these OTOs. They didn't even set the end OTO up correctly. It was trying to get you to buy it even if you said no. And that's $1,259 you could end up spending on this product, which quite frankly is completely and utterly worthless. If you took all the downsells, it's $600, which is still the same. These are very, very poor products to be buying, and that kind of money can buy you some really, really good, high quality tools online that are actually going to help you build a real business. So guys, I hope that was of value to you. My name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to the channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're looking to build a long-term sustainable business online using affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process completely for free, step by step. Until next time, guys, take care.